Logan, it's Nana and Dumpa again. Did you get your book? Why don't you go get it now and we'll read it together. It is 1, 2, 3, numbers, colors, and shapes. 1, boat. 2, bunny rabbits. 3, balls. And 4, dinosaurs. Can we count them together? 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the page. 5 strawberries. I love strawberries, and these are red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 chickens. How does a chicken go? Dumpa's being a chicken. 7 cars. Dumpa does good cars. 8 candies. Oh, I bet your mommy and daddy like those. I know Dumpa does. 9 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pencils. 10 beautiful fish. I bet you see those at the beach sometimes. Turn the page. Look at all the red things, Logan. There's a red tomato and red ladybugs, a red flower, and red shoes. I love red. And orange. Your daddy loves orange, and so does your mommy. There's an orange. And look there, an orange shirt, an orange parrot, and orange carrots. Yum. I love carrots. Look at all the yellow things, Logan. Can you show me the yellow boots? Yep, you're right. There they are. And yellow bananas. Yum. A yellow lemon. And what's this? A yellow duck. Do you hear Dumpa? He's being a duck. Look at all the green things, Logan. A green apple, a green leaf, grapes, yum. And what's this? A frog.
Rabbit.
Did you hear Dumpa? He was being a frog. Look at all the pretty pink things. A flamingo and sunglasses. Maybe your mama has some like those. And a pig. Oh, Dumpa's funny, isn't he? Look at a blue sippy cup, Logan. And a blue train. Can Dumpa...
Choo-choo.
Yes, Dumpa does a good train. He's just like Thomas the Tank Engine. And 2 blue socks. 1, 2, and the blue sky. Oh, and look, these are our shapes. A red heart. And look, that's a candy heart. And purple, it's a rectangle, just like this set of paints is a rectangle. And look, a triangle, just like a kite. And a circle, just like pizza. Yum. Oh, look at all these neat things. There's a square, just like the shape of this book we're reading. And an oval, just like this egg. And a star, just like a star fruit. And a triangle, like a sandwich that your mom makes you. Oh, look at that little boy's so happy. He reminds me of you, Logan. But this little girl is not happy. She's sad. And look, there's a small elephant and a big elephant. And look, a closed umbrella and an open umbrella. Do you know when we use our umbrella? When it's raining, that's right. Oh, and look at these kids. He's so cold, it was snowing. And this little girl, that's like when you're on the beach. It's hot and she has her sunglasses on. Look at, the tractor has up and down. And look, the back of the baby and the front of the baby. And this little girl is above the table, and this little guy is below the table. Time to get up. They were getting up in the morning, getting ready for their day. And time for breakfast, time to get dressed, and time for lunch. Yum. Then there's always time to play, probably like when you go to school, Logan. And then there's time for dinner and bath time, and finally time for bed. Oh, and look, here's some of our favorite places. Home, that's where you live, and Dumpa and I live in a home. And this is a forest. This is a big city with big buildings and a river. See the pretty water? And up here is nice countryside. And that's a road. And look, you've been to the beach lots of times, Logan. And finally the mountain. All wonderful things. And that's the end of your story. And I hope you have a good day, Logan. Nana and Dumpa love you. And look, do you see Maggie? Here, Maggie. Come. There's Maggie. That's a dog. Say dog.
Woof, woof.
Yeah, that's right. And there's Dumpa. And we love you, Logan. And we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.